Bonjour, bonjour, comment ça va?
Hello, H4. Welcome to H4 in the morning. We are back with none other than Miss Contreras, fourth grade teacher. How are you?
Hi, everyone. Doing really well, Miss Benin. I'm excited to be here.
So excited to have you. Before we get started, can you just first share with everyone what is your favorite thing about H4?
My favorite thing about H4 is the sense of community that we all have. I love my scholars, all of the scholars. I love the parents. I love my peers, and all of that combined together really makes me the happiest educator on this earth, probably.
And you bring the energy. You are just like a happy, energized person, and we appreciate you so much. Well, we actually are here for our last episode for Hispanic Heritage Month because it ends on October 15th. So we have a very special show in store. And let's start, Ms. Contreras, by asking you, how are you celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month?
Well, there's a lot of ways that one can celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month, but one in particular that Miss Contreras is doing is that I am doing my own favorite traditional dish called ceviche. Ceviche is a really, really important traditional dish in Ecuador, where I'm from. Fun fact. And it's basically a recipe that has shrimp and lime cooked with a little bit of salt and vinegar, along with some pepper. But it's really easy to make, super good, super yummy. It's delicious.
Amazing. Is it true you said cooked with? Is ceviche cooked, or is it actually cooked in the regular way we know, or differently?
So a lot of people like to steam their shrimp right before they make it, but a lot of people also do cook it raw, and then the lime juices cook the fish.
Whoa, that sounds like some science experiment there.
It's awesome.
Lime cooking fish. Sounds some chemical reactions there. I don't know if our science teachers are interested out there in that, or scientist scholars. Okay, well, it's time for Scholars of the Week. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Can't wait to see who they are for this week. Here are our Scholars of the Week. Congratulations, Scholars of the Week. We are so proud of you. Great job. Moving on with Hispanic Heritage Month, I want to throw it over to you, Ms. Contreras, again for a Hispanic Heritage Month spotlight. Last week with Miss Everett, we discussed Ellen Ochoa. Who do you have for us this week?
This week, my choice is Celia Cruz. Celia Cruz is a Cuban woman, and she was a awesome, fantastic artist. She is a singer, and actually, she is known as the Queen of Salsa, which is awesome. Another fun fact about Celia Cruz is that when she came to the United States, she actually resided here in New Jersey, very close to us.
Interesting.
Yeah. It's super dope, super cool. And Miss Celia Cruz unfortunately did pass away, but she won one of the most notable Grammys in the Latino Awards.
Wow, that's amazing. Thanks, Miss Contreras, for that. Okay, it's time for our Hispanic Heritage Month trivia. All right, guys. First, though, before we get into trivia with Miss Contreras, we do have a winner from last week's scavenger hunt. Miss Contreras, do you remember that scavenger hunt? They had to get 3 out of 4 items.
Oh, yes.
Are you ready to see who the winner is?
Let's see.
Ooh, and boom. Here we go. Who is it? Ooh, Kira H. from Cortland. Great job, Kira. Look at her with all her pictures from the scavenger hunt. This is amazing. And you know what? Not only did you earn a virtual one-on-one, but I think that with this effort, you should maybe earn something a little more special. So be sure to let your teachers know you earned a virtual one-on-one and that you won the scavenger hunt, because the main office is going to be in touch with you to make sure you receive a little something extra special. All right, let's see and go on to trivia with Miss Contreras and see who will win trivia this week. As a reminder, Miss Contreras, do you know where they put their answers to the trivia?
Yes, you can put it under our Instagram page. You can put it under our YouTube right below in the comments.
In the comments. She nailed it, guys. In the comments, wherever you watch, in the comments. So here we go.
All right, scholars, good luck. How many U.S. residents speak Spanish at home? Is it A, 52 million, B, 30 million, C, 41 million, D, 60 million? Which country hosts the running of the bulls each July? A, Mexico, B, Spain, C, Colombia, D, Argentina. Which animal is at the center of the Mexican flag? A, horse, B, pig, C, dog, or D, eagle? Who is the only Hispanic person to win an EGOT, an Emmy, Grammy, Oscar, and Tony? A, Rita Moreno, B, Lin-Manuel Miranda, C, Benicio del Toro, D, America Ferrera.
All right, be sure to put your answers in the comments below. Those are some good questions to round out our Hispanic Heritage Month episodes. Thank you, Ms. Contreras. Do you have any final words or anything to tell all of our scholars and families before we close out and say bye?
Yes, my H4 community, I want to tell you guys to have an amazing, spectacular Friday and a very spooky rest of your month in October.
Oh, good one. Bye, everyone. Thanks, Ms. Contreras. You're the best.
Thank you for having me.